Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the layer so you can undo any mistake. Once done, confirm whether the text is editable. If not, rasterize or export a high-resolution PNG to work non-destructively. Next, use the magic wand or color range tool to select the background color near the font. Set tolerance modestly so you grab the background but not the glyph edges. This gets you into the first actionable selection. Step quickly and safely. Now you refine that selection so the font edges remain crisp. You select and mask or refine edge. Apply slight smoothing and a small feather to avoid hard halos. Once satisfied, convert the selection into a layer mask so the background is hidden without deleting pixels. Make fine corrections by painting on the mask with black to hide or white to reveal. Zoom in and use a small brush on anti-aliased edges to remove fringe while preserving glyph detail. Finish by inspecting the result at 100% and against varied backgrounds to ensure clean edges. If you see color fringing, contract the selection by 1 to 2 pixels and reapply the mask, which removes halo artifacts. Export with transparency as PNG or place the mask text over a new background and save a layered file for future edits. If things go wrong, duplicate the layer, add a tiny Gaussian blur, and remask to blend stubborn halos. This usually cures residual artifacts without harming sharpness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.